Here is the Dreo all-in-one milk frother and automatic foam maker. And in this video, I just wanted to show you exactly what it's like, give you an idea as to what it can do, what to expect from it and how to use it. But perhaps most importantly, I wanted to share my honest thoughts and opinions with you since I decided to invest in one of these. So as you can see, I do have a coffee machine in the background there. And I just found that the frother component to it just wasn't really doing enough for my lattes, shall I say. I just wanted something that was going to be a bit more versatile and do more things as well. And I'll touch upon that as this video goes on. I'll also be showing you the kind of end result, what you can expect with this milk right here. I just want to walk through firstly what it's like to kind of use. One thing I will say, it's very cool. When you first get it, there is a kind of screen over here, which has a QR code. And if you scan that, it will take you through to a short video playlist on how to use it, on everything it can do. It's amazing. I absolutely love that about it. It was so easy to get set up and started. And it's really good to have kind of video tutorials just to make sure you get the most out of your appliance. So I really like that. But to be honest, you can get started without that as well. You know, it's very, very simple to use. Obviously, all you need to do, firstly, clean the appliance, plug it in, and the cable is sufficiently long as well. I like that about it. And then basically you unbox it, get all the components out, and I'll touch upon these in a second. And then yeah, you're kind of good to go. So really, all you have to do, so this is the kind of jug part that you put your milk in, and you place that on top like that. And then when you're ready to obviously pour from it, you do so via the handle. Obviously don't touch this because it gets very, very hot. And you get these two accessories. Now these are for different purposes. So basically you have this disc here, which is used for thickening foam. So it's really good for kind of stirring protein powder in, or perhaps if you're going for a hot chocolate. And then you get this as well. And this is for your lattes, your flat whites, your cappuccinos. So if you're getting this for coffee, this is the one you'll be primarily using. Now, to basically operate this frother, it's very, very simple. All you do is you turn it on and you just press the play button to do that. And then you can see it has this little interface on there, and you just basically choose your mode and then decide on your kind of settings. So as an example, let's say we wanted to have a cappuccino. So you choose the type of milk you're using. So you can have either a cow's milk or maybe a plant milk. So there's lots of options on there. I'm going to do cow's milk. So we'll go through to milk there. And then you just choose your level of foam or what kind of drink you're looking to have. So we've got latte, flat white, thick foam, cold thick foam, hot cappuccino, hot latte, hot flat white, hot thick foam, cold thick foam. So you see there's lots of different options. I went through them several times there. Let's go hot latte. So let's say we wanted to do that. Then we'd add our milk up to the, this would be the max foam line. So hopefully you can see that. So pour the milk in. Let's see if I can do that now. Pour them, actually we'll push this in first. I should put this in first. So we'll put that in. Make sure it goes in. Click it all the way to the bottom. So that's now in place. Pour this in. And then you basically hit the play button. So I've installed the impeller tip. And then it takes 3 minutes and it's going, as you can see. And I'll just put this on top. Now I won't let you sit there for 3 minutes. What I'm going to do is pause the video and show you what it's like when it comes out. So we're just about to finish. And then it says enjoy. You hear a loud beep and you know you're ready to go. So I'll take the lid off. And look at that, it's all velvety, it's all absolutely lovely. And I'm just going to pour it into this mug just to show you the kind of consistency we can expect. Oh, it's just lovely. Honestly, it's a perfect temperature. I find that a lot of these kind of machines that I've used in the past, oh, look at that. A lot of them in the past, you know, they're just not a good drinking temperature. They're too cold or they're not right. This is absolutely perfect. Hopefully you can see that. It's just, yeah, it's absolutely, let me grab a spoon. Honestly, I love this machine so much. It's just so smooth and it's exactly what you'd want and hope for in a latte. So yeah, absolutely love this. All I need to do now is wash that up. It's really easy to wash up. It is also dishwasher safe. I love this. I use this for so many different drinks. You can even use it for protein powders and kind of mixing protein drinks, hot chocolates, as I say. Any kind of hot drink, it's brilliant for. I absolutely love it and I would strongly recommend it.